Hi, my name is Troy from Deery Motors in Coconut, Iowa. I'm here with Steve Schroeder from the Jackson County Sheriff's Department. And we here have a few things to help for you to be safe on the road safety kit.
So some of the things you see here on the ground are items that you may want to have in your car over the winter months. As you can see, there are a number of things on the ground here. There's a tire changing kit, a jack, there's water, there's some snacks on the ground there, a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, caution cones and/or flares, jumper cables, piano fix-a-flat, blanket and extra warm clothes, windshield washer fluid, flashlight and lantern with extra batteries, a reflective vest. There are some glow sticks down there. A couple other things you want to keep in mind also is you want to have a full tank of gas in the winter to make sure that you don't run out and you're not stranded somewhere. You can put some extra car fuses in with your kit. A cell phone charger would be very important, or one of those battery boosters that you can plug your phone into. Tire chains, hand warmers. You can put a small shovel in there with it. You may want to have a whistle or a can of compressed air. So if you're in the ditch, you can utilize that to get someone's attention. And it also wouldn't be a bad idea to maybe have a bag of kitty litter and or a 50-pound bag of sand in your trunk, which doubles as traction if you're not using it. But if you go into the ditch, sand is something that you can throw under the tires to get you more traction. So once again, if you get stranded, stay in your car, call for help, put on your flashers, and then wait for assistance from law enforcement. Thank you, and drive safe this winter.